I'm SNM Pro-Staffer Clay Tietjen, located here in central New York. Now join me on this action-packed hunt as we decoy pigeons over SNM full-body rock pigeons. Now let's get to the hunt.
Yep. Yep. Gauge.
Good boy.
Come on, bring him up. Yep. Gauge. Good boy. Come on. Only one. Yep.
During the hunt, we actually had a red-tailed hawk hover over our decoys and come screaming down in. Now let's see that clip. Now as you can see, the hawk comes straight down and almost attacks the decoys. Must be he realized that the SNM decoys were pretty real until he got too close. We actually had another smaller hawk later in the hunt come right down in and attack. Wasn't able to get this on film, but I can say those hawks certainly showed how real the decoys are. Now let's get back to the hunt.
Gauge. Good boy.
Red one.
Dead.
About midway through our hunt, we had a large group of pigeons come in. However, we never fired a shot as we hoped they would come back in pairs or singles. Pairs or singles often decoy much better than a large group, thus making the shots easier, thus making the kills cleaner.
Gabe, what do you want?
Good boy! Sit! These two.
You ready?
Yep. What are you doing? Why are you in the mud? You getting dirty? You're a good boy today. Yeah.